Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let's take a look at dog with a blog cast then and now. Please drop your comments on what you think about our video, like and subscribe. Don't forget, if there's any movie cast you want us to review for you, drop it on the comment section below. Stay tuned and watch out for the amazing changes. Here we have Genevieve Knight as Jenny, age then 13, age now 23, born 22 December 1998. Stephen Fu as Stan, age then 43, age now 53, born 13 November 1969. Francisca Cripadi as Chilo James, age then 8, age now 18, born 6th June 2004. Black Michael as Stella James, age then 16, age now 26, born 31st July 1996. Kuma as Stan the Dog, born 15 December 2009, died 21st November 2018. Rugan Bones as Bernard James, age then 44, age now 54, born 14 June 1968. Elizabeth Ann Littleford as Ellen, age then 44, age now 54, born 17 July 1968. Daniela as Max, age then 13, age now 23, born 14 June 1999. L.J. Bennett as Fink, age then 15, age now 25, born 2nd January 1997. Kella Rose as Lindsay, age then 13, age now 23, born 20th June 1999. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, drop your comment below, like and share our video. Don't forget, subscribe.